Good morning. All your favorites are right here.
Wow.
Now let's have an awesome day. Here on Cartoon Network.
This video may potentially trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion advised.
Dear Professor Mashimo, how's your latest invention? I just know he's gonna be awesome. Your biggest fan, Tommy Turnbull.
Dear Tony, he has surpassed all expectations. But I fear he may fall into the wrong hands. So I'm sending him somewhere safe. Somewhere perhaps he can learn to be a true boy. A true robot boy.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me? 'Cause I just wanna say.
Go up with the broom. Good. Yeah, put your wheel uptown. Okay.
Oh, really? Right? Hey, sit on the chest. Read. There you go. It's okay, baby. You okay? Okay, baby. It's alright. It's okay, Rigby.
Well, that was an awesome day. Thanks for hanging out and watching cartoons with us. We'll see you right back here tomorrow on Cartoon Network.